chosen a beautiful bright Chinese blue with black lace pattern for this one. We're just going to edge it up. Take it to the left. About here. Wind it round. And then we are going to tie a knot here. And so if I just, sorry, turning that side so that we're straight up. So just the beginnings of if you were tying your shoelace. And then we're going to bring this forward, hold it here, take the underneath, and then we're going to just thread that through where we have our hand. And the reason we're holding this is we want this forwards. And then we take this knot and we pull it through. Tuck that one at the back. Turn you slightly. You can either have this draped across the back here, have a feature at the back. Turn you slightly. And then just pull this through. Turn that slightly. If I can just see you straight on. Beautiful. We have chosen this lovely pashmina, which is a beautiful bright violet purple mixed with a gold pattern. It's predominantly purple this side and gold this side, but the way we're going to tie it will show both colours. So just roll it with your fingers down the centre, pop it around the head, take it to one side, quite high up this time, so that this finishes about here. Wrap it around, twist this side, under this loop here, take this one up, and then just tie a little knot here. So this gives a completely different shape. Lots of the previous shapes have been quite circular. This is more asymmetric, angular, and just with this little tassels at the front here. With the nest we can take to the side, tuck one of the loops in if those tassels are too much for you, and just have those at the front there. Just by doing that one simple thing, it changes the look quite a lot. Quite a different look, this one. It is blue, lemon, jade green and white. And we're just going to take this up. We're going to put the head through the loop. No, we're not. We're going to put this around the head and then at this end through the loop. If you twist this slightly but not too much and put this through, pull it out the other end, slightly to the side, and then ruffle these out, sort of tulip them, so that you've got that top piece cascading down the side here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will get notifications when the new videos are out, each of them addressing a problem that I know you're going to be having in your wardrobe, and so you will love it. Enjoy.